Smart Logger 3000 installation video. Preparations before installation. Select a location to install the Smart Logger 3000. The Smart Logger can be wall-mounted or guide rail-mounted. This video uses guide rail-mounted installation as an example. Connect the PE cable. Prepare the RS-485 wiring terminal. Connect the RS-485 communications cable. Cascade the devices, if required, and then connect them to the Smart Logger. If M-Bus is used for communication, connect the M-Bus cable. Prepare wiring terminals for the signal cable. Press the orange part and insert the metal terminal into the port. Connect the signal cable. Connect the Ethernet cable. Insert an optical module into the SFP1 or SFP2 port. Connect the optical jumper delivered with the optical module to the port on the optical module. Insert a SIM card into the SIM card slot. Install the antenna. Connect the 24-volt power input cable when the 24-volt DC power supply is used. Check after installation. When a power adapter is used for power supply, connect the power adapter cable.